go to the again Windows General settings, click on Windows Update. If any update is pending, then let it from here. Then search here Microsoft Store. Then click on three dot.